Danny, down, Bubba's. Hello everyone, my name is Alexandra and welcome to Creative 404. In today's video, we're going to do an unboxing. Before we begin, I'm going to make a couple announcements. One, I have a really bad cough. I had COVID a couple of weeks ago, and even though I've tested negative since then, my throat has been killing me. So I got some tea here to help me get through this little unboxing. As a second note, I've been cleaning all day and I'm doing all these unboxings all together. So my apologies for the quality of this video and my current look. I look a mess, but that is okay because that's not the focus of this video. What are we unboxing today? Today I'm excited to announce that I finally found a doll in the clearance section of Walmart. I have all these dolly friends on YouTube that I follow. If you look in the comments down below, you can probably see them. They are very, very active in the community and they're very sweet. They all love to play with dolls as much as I do, and they are very good at commenting in the comments. So consider looking at their videos if you see them in the comments below. They have some great ones. Anyway, I'm really excited. I got this clearance Barbie doll. She's normally $25. I got her for $18. This is my first clearance doll that I ever found, and I'm super excited about it. So let's do this unboxing. I'm really happy. I've always wanted a Barbie extra, but I've never really put down the money for it. I found out that she was fully articulated one day, and ever since then, I've had to have them. If you don't know, I am an articulation fangirl. It has to have articulation in all the joints for me to really like a doll. So, let's get started on this unboxing. Already, I could see some really good packaging. In the back, they actually have it all. There's some like preparation so that it's very easy to unbox this, and I'm super excited because one thing I hate doing is struggling with packaging. They show a little thing here somewhere. It's hard to do it when you're not looking. Yeah, there it is. There's a little tab that goes like this. No, you have ruined me. I saw you tab. Tab. Okay, F this. I'm just pulling it out like that. Yay! Oh my god. There's a lot of tape. All right, let's see. Okay, I finally got her out of the packaging. For some of my first thoughts, I am really excited that she is a curvy girl. She does not have articulation in the ankle, so I'm a little sad about that. But that is fine. She has articulation in her wrists. She has all these cute bangles and a watch. I think it's great. I especially love this boomer jacket or bomber jacket. I think it's really nice and well made. I also love her cute pants. Oh my god, the cute little shorts. How adorable is that? Oh my god. She is cute. She has earrings that say girl power. She has little freckles all over. She's a blue-haired girl. Oh my god, I love blue-haired girl. She's also slightly tanned, which I really appreciate. I love it. She comes with two little kitties right here. They are super cute. She also comes with this thing that says Malibu. It is a skateboard. Not a big fan of the skateboard, but that is fine. Also not a big fan of the very silver, I guess they're sunglasses. I'm not too big of that. I do like the little headset. I'm just not a big fan of the color. If you don't know, I really like things that look hyper realistic. So if they look too like play scale stuff, I'm not a big fan of it. But otherwise, the Barbie herself, I love her. I think she is so great. I am a big fan of the Made to Move Barbie dolls. They have articulating ankles, so they get a little bit of an extra love from me. But when it comes to a Barbie doll, I do think the Barbie extras are worth the money, especially if you find it on clearance like I did. But I'm super excited. I'm gonna give you a close-up of these dolls, then I'm going to say goodbye. So let's see what this doll looks like close up. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a like. And if you have any comments, do you have a Barbie extra doll? Have you seen them before in person? Have you bought them? What do you like about them? What do you not like about them? Put it in the comments. I consider my commenting section sort of like a text messaging system. I love to reply to every comment that people give me, so give me your opinions on this doll. Do you have one? Do you have another one of the Barbie extras? Maybe not this particular doll, but maybe something else. And if you want to see more content like you see here, don't forget to give this channel a subscribe. I have plenty of unboxings. I do vlogs, I do podcasts, I do lifestyle stuff. I am an artist. I make doll scale fabric for my Etsy store. So if those things are things that you are interested in, consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye now. I'm gonna do my favorite wave. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. I feel like a queen. Yes, my subjects. Yes.